And you know what? Wall Street's, that's not a bad couple of words. They really do produce jobs. But they're at a disadvantage now, too.
Would you be,
last year,
a protectionist?
No, I'm not a protectionist. I'm a free trader.
They say that you are a protectionist. You said yesterday in your speech that you are a free trader. They point out that you've advocated a 25% tariff on Chinese imports.
Sure.
How can you claim to be a free trader and be for a 25% tariff on Chinese imports?
I do believe in free trade, but only if you have smart leaders. And with China, it's not free trade. We don't have free trade with China. I love free trade. But it's got to be free trade and it's got to be fair trade.
Last week, the New York Times editorial board quoted you as saying that you would impose up to a 45% tariff on Chinese goods.
That's wrong. They were wrong. It's the New York Times. They're always wrong.
Well,
what I said to the New York Times is that we have great power, economic power over China. And if we wanted to use that, and the amount, and where the 45% comes in, that would be the amount based on their devaluations that we should get. What I'm saying is this. I'm not saying we do it. And I'm a free trader. I believe it.
You said the other day that you would impose a 45% tariff on all Chinese goods coming into this country. Wouldn't that both increase the price of these goods to American consumers and weaken the Chinese economy even more?
Chris, I didn't say I was going to do it.
I believe in free trade.
You know, I'm a free trader. I believe in free trade, which is nice and conservative, but I believe in free trade.
What would happen to the price of goods if, in fact, a President Donald Trump were to impose a 45% tariff on goods coming in from China?
But it'll never happen. Wisconsin would end up doing much, much better than it's doing right now. That would never happen. But you have to have the threat out there, because what they're doing is currency manipulation. They're devaluing their currencies, and they're making it virtually impossible for
you're a much better negotiator than I am, but you just said it will never happen. So you've basically given away that your negotiating ploy is a bluff. Didn't you just say you're bluffing?
You've got to have a threat out there. You've got to have something to negotiate with.
So when you said in 2010 that you welcomed a trade war with China, was that a joke as well?
No, that's not a joke. No. And welcome.
That's a tragedy.
Welcome is a very strong. No, I don't think it's a tragedy. China has been eating our lunch. China has taken the United States for a ride like nobody other than perhaps OPEC has done.
But Donald, they're not just eating your lunch, they're paying for your lunch. They are your banker, and you don't pick a fight with your banker.
You don't understand economics. China is taking advantage of this country like nobody has ever taken advantage of the United States. And you look at what's going on in this country, we are not making our product now. China and other countries are making our product.
But, I mean, we live off Chinese manufacturing, whether we like it or not.
That's because when you say we, you are stupid. You're stupid.
You called me a bad economist. I'm stupid.
Well, you're
what
not
else
a good,
are you going to do? Come on. I've been very civil to you,
You're not
Donald.
a good economist. No, you haven't. You're not a good economist at all. You don't understand business, and you don't understand what I'm saying with China. You think it's a joke.
So I'm fired,
it's not
right?
a joke.
So I'm fired.
You're not fired. You're not fired.
As a line of clothing. Now, where were these made?
These were made, I don't know where they were made, but they were made someplace. But they're great. It's ties, shirts, cufflinks, everything sold at Macy's, and they're doing great. #1 selling tie anywhere in the world.
#1 selling tie anywhere in the world.
Shirt,
you wouldn't wear that shirt?
We also have them in white and beautiful white.
Where are the shirts made? Bangladesh.
Well, it's good.
Okay.
We employ people in Bangladesh.
Ties? Where are the ties
they
made?
Have to work
These are
too.
beautiful ties.
They are great ties.
The ties are made in where? China? Ties are made in China.
It seems Ivanka Trump's scarves are too hot for their own good. See, the brand, named for Republican presidential hopeful Donald Trump's eldest daughter, is the subject of a recall. About 20,000 of the rayon scarves, which are made in China, are being pulled off of shelves because they pose a burn risk.